All right, we're headed into HobbyTown. Pretty cool. This is in Virginia Beach. And here are the store hours. Okay. This place has lots of stuff. So we're just gonna go through and check out everything. I always love these planes. Rubber band guns now. HobbyTown is an interesting description, simply because this is more of a toy store, if you will. There's a Batman, look at that. There you go. Batman, Robin, I'm not quite sure what these guys are. They're good jiu-jitsu minis. They're stretchy people. Gotta collect them all, man. So they got some cool kites, kid kites in here. I love this toy. This one, and they have a rocket toy as well. This company, Darren. I have a couple of their toys, and they're lots of fun to play with, and they're relatively inexpensive. Oh, look at this, juggling balls. $9.99. I should learn how to juggle. What do you think? Learn how to juggle? I think I'm gonna learn how to juggle. Oh, I didn't even see. Look at all these games over here. There's some just great games. I love Catan, expansion Catan. Blowing on my kittens. Oh, look at these yo-yos. Boy, there's all kinds of yo-yos here. I'm gonna have to invest in a yo-yo. Look at this guy. Wow, he's interesting. He's the only butterfly I see. So I'm gonna hold on to him, because look, there's Gujitsus right there. It says Star Wars Gujitsu, Sonic Gujitsu. Just all kinds of really cool stuff. I'm inundated with toys today. Look at this 3D puzzle here. Yep, and there's the stuff my ex-wife likes. Oh, look at the pinball. I'd love to afford that. But right now, we have other things we have to worry about. Ooh, that turns. Well, they got a lot of these wood puzzles in here. Look at that. Drawmation. Wow. I know I just stood there and looked at that for a long time, but it's fascinating, you have to admit. It's so fascinating. Little mini hover bot. Oh. I am having a lot of fun today. There's just a lot of stuff in here. A lot of toys. I've seen a lot of toys today. I've been to three places that are just full of toys. I'm having lots of fun. That's the best, right? Okay, now we're getting into Legos. These wooden guys are pretty cool. Now I'm seeing them walking the wrong way with the Legos, so we're just gonna do a turn around here. Get you a shot of what they got. Yeah, I've never seen this. Never seen this one. And it's an interesting price for the whole box. So now we're getting into the hobby kind of things. The Kobe Legos. Oh, look at that. And those are beautiful. Now I have a Kobe Lego triplane. I have that triplane. But I don't see it here. Alright. You got, of course, all your selected paints for painting your figures. Everything you need with your remote control cars. All kinds of good stuff in here. And let me get, hey, look at that. There you go. Pretty awesome. All right, the models are over on the other side, so we're gonna go check that out in a second.
Usually the motors take less voltage than your ESCs do.
Nice.
So just because your ESCs get more high voltage, your motor
That's
may completely burn out. Gotcha.
These guys, look at that Chevy right there. That's so much fun. If you can't own it, get it in a model, right? All our planes. Very nice. And then they've got boats back here. You're into the water sports. Yeah, they've got their own bodies that you can collect. They have a hobby room. Now we're getting into the models. You got a whole bunch of car models. There's a Volkswagen. Love it. Love it. Kind of silly models in here, I guess. I remember my brother used to make balsa wood planes. I tried my hand at it once. I wasn't that good. But you know, always the first time you're not as good as you are on the second, third, or fourth. Practice makes perfect. Now we're getting into the interesting stuff.
Oh yeah. Chevy. Plymouth, okay.
Wow.
Yeah, that's our actually.
Look at this guy. This is Robbie the robot. Really tiny one. For 14 bucks. That's a little tough. That's a little tough to swallow. Ah, here you go, Pokemon models. Yeah, buddy. Bada. Model stands. It's a good place to come for them. Good thing to know. The Japanese models. Oh boy, do I miss Japan. I surely do. But time goes on and things change. And, you know, you're never gonna relive the past. That guy up here. That's insane. That guy's cool too. Goat guns. Gotta love goat guns. My son loves goat guns. Alright, now I got into the train stuff here. Little track it looks like you can play on. The dinosaur eating a sheep. That's interesting. Look at that. Very cool. Oh, sure. Yeah. Check it out. Oh, here we go. The light went on.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Let's get an action shot. Okay. It's going to come around here, and we're going to get an action shot here.
So be careful to check in there.
Oh yeah, I'm aware. Here it comes. Oh no! So cool. Oh, you got. Oh, we'll do it again. All right, we had a missed opportunity. We're gonna take care of here. We should have blown the horn. So okay, here we go. Here we go. We're coming down. Oh, that's so cool. There you go, man. Thank you very much. That's awesome. I think we got a good action shot there. Oh, I love the aero props. I have a wooden one at home that I bought in an airport when I was flying in to get some fuel, and they had that there, and I was like, yeah, look at this guy. So I have it, and I've had it for a while, and it's changed color because of the oils on my hand. I've used it so much. All right, Corey, check it out. There's a ton of Pokemon stuff here. Ton of Pokemon stuff. All right, that concludes the video. Take care.